Starting in 2025, some Thai passport holders will finally be able to visit Canada without applying for a visa. But before you pack your bags, it's worth understanding what this new visa-free access includes and what it doesn't. I'm Pear from Siam Legal. Whether you're a Thai or have Thai family or friends planning a visit, in this video, we will walk you through what visa-free means in Canada, what rules still apply, and what alternatives are available for longer stays. Let's take a closer look at what you need to know before going to Canada. Canada's visa-free entry program, how it works and who can use it. Starting in 2025, Thai passport holders can travel to Canada without a traditional visa, but only if they meet specific conditions. Instead of a visa, you can apply for an ETA or Electronic Travel Authorization if you're flying into Canada, which is much easier and cheaper to acquire thanks to a short online application process. However, not just any Thai citizen qualifies for an ETA. You must meet one of the following conditions to be eligible for the ETA. You applied for and successfully received a Canadian visitor visa within the last 10 years, or you currently hold a valid U.S. non-immigrant visa. If neither condition applies, you'll need to apply for a regular Canadian visa. An ETA is only available for air travel. If you enter Canada by car, train, or boat, you will need a visa. The ETA is linked to your passport and stays valid for up to 5 years or until your passport expires. It allows you to fly to Canada, but border officers will decide if you can enter once you arrive. The ETA can also be cancelled by Canadian authorities at any time. Once approved, your ETA lets you stay in Canada for up to 6 months. You can visit for tourism, attend business meetings, or pass through the airport on your way to another country. Visa-free doesn't mean you can just show up with a passport and walk through the gate. There are still a few conditions you need to meet before you can board a flight to Canada, and more checks when you arrive. Here's what you'll need in order to qualify. A valid Thai passport, a ticket on a commercial airline, approval for an ETA, which must be completed online before your trip, no criminal history or past immigration issues in Canada or other countries, proof that you can support yourself while you are in Canada. The ETA costs 7 Canadian dollars. Most people get approved within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take longer if extra checks are needed. Even with an approved ETA, the final decision is made upon arrival. Border officers may refuse entry if they believe you might overstay, work without permission, or lack the required documents. If you're a Thai passport holder planning a short trip to Canada, the process is simple, but there are a few steps to follow to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start with these. Check your passport. It must be valid for the full length of your stay. Apply for the ETA, go to the official Canadian government website and submit the online form. The fee must be paid by credit or debit card. Wait for confirmation. You'll usually get an email within minutes, though authorities may request that you submit documents beforehand. When you get confirmation, save this email as well as a copy because you will need to show it to the border officer. Book your flight. Once you have the ETA, you can travel to Canada by air. It is not recommended to purchase tickets before registering for the ETA, as a rejection or delay may affect your travel plans. Prepare your documents, bring proof of return travel, financial support, and accommodation in case you are asked to show these documents at the border. The ETA is valid for 5 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. You can use it for multiple trips as long as each visit is short and follows the rules. If you or your Thai friend or family member wants to stay longer or visit for a different reason, visa-free entry may not be the right option. For example, if the goal is to stay longer than 6 months, apply for a tourist visa instead. If you're engaged or married to a Canadian citizen, consider a spousal sponsorship program. If the visitor wants to study or work, they'll need a student visa or work permit, both of which require formal applications and documentation. Even with a visitor visa, working in Canada is not allowed unless a separate work permit has been granted. Canada's new visa-free entry for Thai citizens is a welcome change, but it still comes with conditions. Make sure to apply for an ETA, have the right documents, and know what you can and cannot do once you arrive in Canada. And if you're planning a longer stay, joining a loved one in Canada, or looking at immigration options, our legal team can help you apply for the right visa and avoid issues before they come up. For guidance on the visa-free process or to apply for other types of Canadian visas from Thailand, contact Siam Legal today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ